How do you ensure that your order planning is executed in the best way possible? How do you monitor this along your value chain to achieve maximum customer satisfaction on delivery? How do you take decisions for your manufacturing today when it comes to equipment, machinery and material? All these decisions need a transparent and reliable databases. This is where MES LITE comes into play. MES LITE is the cornerstone for digitizing your production. MES LITE is your smart factory solution for mid-sized companies. With MES LITE you get full transparency in manufacturing through real-time machine monitoring. Based on important key performance indicators, such as downtimes with reasons and real-time data, you can identify optimization potentials. Your machine park is easily and cost-effectively digitized by the trusted I/O controller, and from now on provides reliable and valuable information from your production. MES LITE is available in two packages, Availability and OEE. Availability forms the basis for the shop floor data collection. Analyze the reasons for downtime, setup times, operating state and utilization rate, all in real time. The operating state timeline, respectively the operating state development, as well as the operating state hit list provide the essential contributions to the increase in productivity. Use the data obtained and the intuitively understandable reports and visualizations to identify optimization potential. Get an objective basis for decision making in the continuous improvement process of your production. The OEE package extends the functionality of your MES LITE solution with an ERP connection for order supply and enables the recording of quantities via piece counter, manually or automatically, and the quality. This extension opens up completely new possibilities for production optimization and provides even more profound insights into what is happening. The quantity status diagram, for example, compares the produced quantity with the target quantity and also includes the machine status, related to the workplace or even to a group of workplaces. So you can see at a glance whether you're on schedule or not and whether you can deliver on time. In addition to the name-giving OEE report with groundbreaking real-time functionality, the quality analysis provides the possibility to compare quality defects, scrap and downtimes, for example with different starting materials used. The gained knowledge can be incorporated into the continuous improvement process and, for example, optimize the selection of suppliers. These are only a few examples of the various possibilities that are available to you with the MES LITE package OEE. Both packages are rounded off with perfectly matched dashboards and visualizations. Both packages provide a visualization of your machine park including hall layout and the dashboard template operating state development, and additionally the dashboard template quality. If you need more functions such as process data, personnel times or track and trace functionalities, you can upgrade your MES LITE installation to MES Flex at any time. With MES LITE you can easily and quickly gain transparency of your manufacturing operations to make decisions based on real data. The implementation of MES LITE is completed within a few days and provides valuable data for your continuous improvement process from the first day on, all with working force MES LITE. If you would like to learn more, please contact us.